Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 804. We're opening one box, 1415 ITG Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 19th at 10:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 11:52 a.m. Saturday, June 20th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Adjustment here. One box. Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Break 804. Box Breakers. Better. Oh, this is nice. First overall. Wow, Eric Lindros. 1 of 1. On the 3rd edition. That's a while ago. We're at the 14th edition this year. On the front of this card is a piece of game with Eric Lindros, Philadelphia Flyers. Game used jersey. Nice hit. The Flyers. Next. Oh, nice. Emblematic. What a nice patch. Larry Robinson. You got Montreal written all over. Even in the back. Hey, 2nd edition. On the front of this card, a piece of an emblem from a patch. From game used jersey worn by Larry Robinson, playing for the Montreal Canadiens. Wow, great card, great player. I'm glad they did a 3-color patch. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Nice hit for Montreal. Super Mario. Jersey and emblem. Ultimate. 1 of 1. Number 66. Super Mario. On the front of this card, pieces of jersey and a number. Okay. From a game used Mario Lemieux Pittsburgh Penguins card. Okay, so we got the number and the jersey. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. So for a recap, we've got a Super Mario Lemieux jersey and number. 1 of 1 for Pittsburgh. Beautiful patch from Larry Robinson from Montreal. And beautiful card. Great player. Eric Lindros for Flyers. So now in 1991. Okay, I was looking at it that way. 1991. First overall. Really? Wow. Was this selected first overall 1991 NHL entry draft held in Buffalo, New York? I didn't know that. Great. So that concludes our break number 804 for a 1415 Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Our next Ultimate Vault ends tomorrow night, Father's Day at 10:30. We also have a Superlative Vault that ends at 9:30. We have some NFL football. We have a totally certified football break. Plus some Crown Royale, Classic Signature, Veterans, Retired Players, hard signed signatures. All that tomorrow night. More than 7 box breaks ending tomorrow night. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.